how to fix Valorant lag easy and quick. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to boost your Valorant FPS. It's easy. First just type here background apps, and once you're here you will find it like that. Disable it, make sure to turn off this option, and then just go back and then right click here, go to task manager, then just go to startup, and now just disable all the applications that you don't need, like Steam, Spotify and things like that. Right click and click disable, and if you find enable, just don't touch it, and then restart your PC and you will find that your problem is fixed. Please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.